What's going on, guys? This is Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Today I have a 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 High Country that we have here. This one has a leveling kit and new wheels and tires on it. So if you guys are looking to do something with your truck, and whether or not you want to lift it, level it, what wheels and tires you put on it, you should definitely take a look at what we did with this setup. So first off, I'm going to go over the suspension kit that we chose, which is going to be a 3-inch Cognito Leveling Kit. So with this one, it comes with, there's different options, but we chose the one with the Fox shocks with the Fox reservoir. So it's going to give you a really nice quality ride as you go down the road. So if you are looking to level your vehicle, this is a very good one if you want a nice ride quality. The tire is going to be a 33-1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. So we use this one on just about all the builds that we use or that we build. This is a really good tire that if you are looking to drive this on the road every day, or if you do a little bit of off-roading, going down a field or something like that, it's a really good tire. It's going to give you the aggressive look, but also it's going to give you a little bit of off-road performance as well as on-road performance, a quiet ride, and a long tread life. So if you're living on both the road and a little bit off-road, this is a really good tire for you. However, if you do want to go with a little bit of a different tire, you have two options going either way. You can go with the more of the aggressive style, which is going to be the Trail Grappler. It's going to give you the even more aggressive look with the bigger knobs on the tread and give you better off-road performance. But also you can go with the Grappler G2, which is going to be the all-terrain tire. That's going to give you the best on-road experience as well as the longer tread life and the quieter ride. So what we have down here is a 22x12 American Force Addict G52. This is a 22x12 with a -40 offset. So with that offset, it's going to give you about a 4-inch lift on this wheel. This one's got a really good look, has the flat black finish with the chrome or the forged accents on the spokes, as well as on the all the rivets and American Force etched into the side. With this wheel, you can run the spiked lug nuts along with all the American Force wheels. So we did choose to add those, which really give it a little bit more of that aggressive look. Makes this truck look really good. So overall, this was a really good looking build with the wheel and tire package as well as the leveling kit that we added. So if you guys are looking to do anything to your truck, you should take a look further about the details about what we did to this one. If you guys are looking to build your truck now, we can definitely do that for you here at Krietz Customs, as well as we do offer a 0% financing for up to 12 months. So if you guys are looking to go ahead and get that built now, pay later, we can do that as well.